Start. Hello guys, my name is Shubham Balasaheb Devkole. So today we are going to discussing about the what is the conditional statement in Java. For the point we are going to discussing about the what is the conditional statement is Java conditional statement. After that we are going to uh, discussing about the what are the types of conditional statements, and uh, after that we are going to some I'm going to give some example for the further types in conditional statement. So let's start it. So what is the conditional statement is? So as its name like conditional. So in Java we are going to check the given condition in is satisfied or not, like uh, satisfied or not. Basically we are going to check the condition true or false. It works like a boolean value, true or false. They are going to check basically. So it is also known as a decision making statements. So after that it has own types like if statement is there, if else statement is there, else if statement is there, and last one is the switch test statement is there. So further types, let's start about the if statement. So basically if statement is the check like one condition is there in like if in brackets like a is less than b, uh, whether the condition is true, it will be uh, code will be executed, or whether is condition is getting wrong, so it will be it will be give a error basically. So after like we have it will be give a error. After that we are going to check if else statement. So further statements, as I mentioned above, like if statement is basically give a boolean expression, whether true it will be run, or it whether the false will be else 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 will be executed in else if else statement. So after that we have else if basically. So in that particularly if we have like three integers. One is the a, it has 20 value, b has 25, and c has like 40 or 14 or 15. So basically where the in that particular code if statement is checked, if the if statement is wrong, it's give it will be uh, run else if, it will be checked basically else if statement is true or false. Further statement is true, then then uh, further else if code will be executed. So after that we are going to discussing about the switch statement. So what is the switch statement basically? So we have uh, multiple statement to check verify the uh, where is true or false, or basically switch statement is used on particularly that point. In that we are uh, in that particularly we have switch statement, and basically it's run through like case 1, case 2, case 3, and it has own default value, and it need to be break keyword basically. So uh, which is the best uh, statement? Either if else statement or switch statement. In my opinion, they are both are uh, uses as per the whenever it's conditional use, like we have multiple uh, to check the conditions, that time switch is used, or we have like two or three, or basically we have two or three or four, two or three, that time else if or if else statement is used. In particularly we are also using nested statement, like uh, for the else if else may, if between we have like if else statement and switch statement, like that particular switch statement again we are going to use the switch statement, that's called nested loop, nested statement. So that's it, and thank you for this getting this points and covering that point particularly. Thank you, Hepsha.